and welcome to Peace, Love, and Vans, Colorado 2026.
Hello! If you're ready, follow me. Yeah, you forget. I have.
Happy birthday to you.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Peace, Love, and Vans, Colorado 2026. So we actually arrived a day earlier than the public because Brittany is volunteering for medical staff and obviously we're here as creators. And in this episode, we're going to take you along just for what goes on at one of these events with 500 plus vans, schoolies, overland rigs, things like that, and share with you all the pets because obviously traveling with your pet is amazing, and most people here at these events usually have a dog or cat with them. So we're going to share all those amazing animals with you, what goes on at the event, and just share what a wonderful weekend it's going to be. We are actually the first people in Chillville camping area because we're here the day early. Right over here is where you come in, check-in station over there. Like I said, Chillville, where we are, first one set up. It is quite the hill to say the least, so definitely we needed a few rocks and could use more. You can see the staff area way up there, Groovy Grove on the other side, which I think there's one or two people already parked there. Some more staff over there. So this is the calm before the storm. But talk about a beautiful, beautiful setting. And as you can see, it is pretty vast. We're up here just at the base of this mountain, and it's just vast, high desert fields over here. And these mountains back here make for a pretty awesome backdrop for the weekend. But we will catch back up with you once everybody starts rolling into the event, because it is going to be pretty awesome seeing, I think it's actually over 600 vans roll into here.
Being bad? Are you being bad?
Somebody's sneaking out.
Let's go! John! Woohoo! It's Mike! Hey, Matt!
Adios!
Hello! Hello! Hello there! Woohoo! All the Noovos! Woohoo! Derry! Hello!
1, 2.
Hi! Where are you going?
Of course, I had to go with the red, white, and blue tie-dye. And we'll see what Brittany's gonna do. Brittany did the spider design, so we'll see how it's gonna look.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we need to talk about the s'mores. So is this too hard of a s'more?
don't know. You
So
have to take a
everybody
bite.
has their own opinion about this.
Okay, so take a bite.
It got a little bit burnt, right? Like I got some
you were not
ash coming
intending-
off. Yeah, I think maybe I was a little too
Some people like it that way.
hasty.
Some people
Like I was hungry and I put it too low, you know? So, yeah, we'll see if this chocolate has melted enough. I put it right on there.
Oh,
This is close to
that's close.
to my
Is it
standard.
melted enough
But see,
though?
this side isn't because I don't know why.
boy.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you
This
some
is,
wipes.
This is escalating. Oh,
We're going from the haze to s'mores.
okay.
They're done.
Yeah.
She says it's an A+.
It seemed like it was pretty solid.
Chocolate melted.
Yeah.
So
All that is, you can start to see it's flexing. It's got the flex.
that means it's good.
Okay, wait. Is flexing? I don't know if I would have. I need a good descriptor for the. I think it needs to be more than flexing, but it can't be fully melted. Flexing might be not. Might still. It's the bite when you bite into it.
Yeah.
If it has the like.
Because if it's fully melted, then you lose the chocolate.
Exactly.
Right.
So it has to be. So is flexing? I don't know.
So it has to
think
be
so.
in between.
It's a fine chocolate bar.
The great s'mores debate.
This is a serious debate.
Why do those things you do?
Put your ears up. Don't be sad.
Don't be sad.
I'm shortening it because that's a long drive. It's hot. We got lots of little bitties. We're not going to do all that. We're going to go all the way down to the tiki bar, and then we're going to go up through the food trucks and then come right back here. So we're just going to make a nice little loop so everybody can see the babies. You're welcome to stop and let them get loves. It's entirely up to you. This is just for fun. No rules, no pet police. Everybody's happy. We're all having a good time. So if you're ready, follow me.
And just like that, everybody, we are rolling out of Peace, Love, and Vans, Colorado. What an incredible first year. We are so looking forward to decompressing a little bit and then getting on here later and letting you know exactly what we thought about this weekend. Bye, Colorado.
Continue for half a mile.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.